Let me show you a double kingpin setup that is super stable. These are 98A tall bend bushings, and these are 94A indie bushings, independent bushings. So this combination is actually too stiff for me. So I also have the 97As, which will replace the 98A, but I want to put this on a different board. So for this one, I'm going to continue to use the 98. So you're gonna need to tighten this to the point where these bushings are really compressed. On a reverse kingpin truck, you would not tighten this much. These bushings are really compressed right now, but that's just how it is with double kingpin trucks. Now we're gonna put the bushings on this kingpin. You see, if this is not super compressed, then this washer would not fit here. This washer doesn't actually fit here, so I'm gonna try to find a flat washer to put here instead. Alright, see, I have a flat washer now. So a flat washer will fit here without any issue. So actually, cup washers come in different sizes. This is 25 millimeters and this is 23. I should just be using the 23 millimeters. This part, you should not really need to adjust, especially if you're using 98A bushings. I mean, if you're really heavy, maybe you do need to adjust this, but for me, I'm just gonna leave this alone. This is now set. Now for this part, I might need to tighten it. I'm just gonna leave it relatively loose right now, and then I'm gonna try it out, and if I need to tighten it, then I'll tighten it. But this is where I'm gonna start. But again, like I said, I've actually tried these bushings already, and this setup is actually really stable. It's a little bit too stable. I'm not able to turn as much as I want. So I also have the 97A Venom bushings. So for a different board, this is what I'm gonna use. That was the rear truck. For the front, you should be able to just use the stock bushings and then adjust them as necessary.